आगे बढ़ते हैं हम कुछ और इस वक्त बड़ी खबर आ रही है। Delhi BJP President Virendra Sachdeva has said on upcoming Delhi budget session that Delhi Vidhan Sabha's budget session will begin on the 24th of March. The BJP government is committed to the welfare of Delhi and they are fully aware that they need to bring the development of Delhi back on track with a definite plan. He's also mentioned that in a democracy, conversations are held via discussions. BJP has also said this to Atishi Marlena earlier as well. If the BJP holds Atishi or AAP accountable for all that AAP has done, AAP should come and listen and participate in the discussions. What he said, let's listen in.
देखिए, बजट का जो सत्र है दिल्ली विधानसभा का वो 24 मार्च से प्रारंभ हो रहा है, जैसा मुख्यमंत्री ने घोषणा भी की है। और निस्संदेह भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार दिल्ली के विकास को लेकर प्रतिबद्ध है और हम बार बार इस बात पर जोर भी दे रहे हैं कि जिस तरह से पिछले 10-11 सालों में दिल्ली के विकास को अवरुद्ध किया गया है, रोका गया है, उसको एक निश्चित प्लान के साथ पटरी पर लाना बहुत जरूरी है। और मुझे खुशी इस बात की है कि हमारी पूरी सरकार इस मामले में बहुत गंभीरता से, आपने देखा होगा पिछले 7-8 दिन में प्लानिंग्स और मीटिंग्स वगैरह करके काम शुरू किया और निस्संदेह ये बजट दिल्ली वालों के लिए होगा।
All right, Mehndi Garg is in fact joining us for more details on this story. Mehndi, what ramifications does this latest statement by the Delhi BJP president have?
Well, Uday, we heard Delhi BJP President Virendra Sachdeva, and he said that not only him, Uday, but today in the Vidhan Sabha session, also CM Rekha Gupta has announced that Delhi Vidhan Sabha's budget session will begin on 24th March till 26th March, and the budget of Delhi will be presented in that particular session. And for that, also, Virendra Sachdeva mentioned that the BJP government is committed to the welfare of Delhi, and the newly appointed BJP government is fully aware that they have to bring the development of Delhi back on track with a definite plan. And for that also, before the Vidhan Sabha session, Delhi's Chief Minister Rekha Gupta also held a press conference and mentioned that, there will be discussions regarding that budget. And on 5th March, the suggestion will be taken and, from all over Delhi and from the localites, from the Delhiites regarding the budget session and their problems regarding, the money and the problems that they face on a daily basis. So on 5th March, there will be a discussion session and the suggestions will be taken by the BJP government from the Delhiites. And not only this, but also while talking about this particular budget session, Virendra Sachdeva also said that in a democracy, conversations are important. And for that, on 5th March, we'll be holding, different discussions with the people of Delhi and also taking a drive at Aam Aadmi Party and Atishi. So he mentioned that, BJP has already said this to Atishi earlier, that if they are holding Aam Aadmi Party and their government accountable for all that they have done in their governance. So, they should also come and participate in this discussion that will be happening on 5th March and, later in the days regarding the budget. And also, BJP President Virendra Sachdeva said that, after these discussions, there will be no lying and protesting also expected from the opposition as well if they manage to have a thorough discussion and a healthy discussion with the party in power, BJP, on the budget that will be presented from 24th to 26th. Yes, Uday.
All right. Delhi Chief Minister